Enkramantam posifoɔ etumi chemrantie miensa baako din ene Abdullahi Rashid dodo na friend Game Boy wonya mfinjia aduonu nan oye drobani sanso na Kwame Kunadu wonya mfinjia aduonu baako oye dwadini Benjamin Edu ewo mfinjia aduasa enkono oye dwadini Kwame Tawia wo mfinjia aduonu miensa oye Goldsmith ni nyina mu no mu nyina kuta pesel ena fei ensekan na wɔkyese na wɔtwe pepepe nie best November day dikan ni mo ena omukɔ wura fie bi ewo kwabenya ema wo wi for mobile phones or we are tablet laptops sika Ghana sika any amanone de ena omo de ekoye won samfufuro mu nso no wo machi enipa bi a eno no eye Ativo Emmanuel Isa Mauto wanya mfichi aduasa wono so na okuta etuo eno eye de eye Ghana he ya afo sa kuta etuo aboba eka ho bi na special operation wo ye ewo online since motorbikes ho engamantama posi sahene eye ACP bonga yosa ene nsantwerefo ekasa ye de afutuo ema wonum sei.
This week the regional police has again arrested 4 suspected robbers who attacked and robbed a family at their residence in Kobinya. They are Abdullahi Rashid alias Game Boy, age 24, is a driver. Kwame Kunadu, age 21, he is a trader. Kwame Tawia, age 53, a goldsmith. And Benjamin Edu, alias Ice-T, age 39, and also a trader. Exactly a week ago, that is on the 1st of November 2016, at about 1:30 a.m., 3 young men armed with pistols and knives broke into the house of a family at Kobinya, attacked and robbed them of assorted mobile phones, tablets, laptops, and cash in both Ghana cedis and foreign currencies. The next day, that is on the 2nd November 2016, police acting on a tip-off proceeded to Kwame Nkrumah Circle to call the arrest of one of the suspects who had gone to trade the booty from the robbery scene. Unfortunately, he managed to escape arrest.
Eno actually no enkramantama se kasama for the maposi atanaye no ASP efiatenge ye no so ekasa ye ema waka e de kire omanfo se wonya hweye papa ewo mobile money vendors na chese wo mo amoton mobile money no wo nya hweye sanse nei eno ene nkrofo de wo mani ahweso
ye ka se abra elections yi ko bibi bia rebesisi akwan mu ana bibi bia be hwe say nya peaceful elections since had the be year then free. Recently there's been attacks on mobile money and recharge card vendors. Inti otina ho awoye wadwuma no ne aba ye ba edi tuo nye de si ukon ne agi wadwuma kakra na wa ye hu sika de free nsem na mo so ye sre se wo ye adwuma no enye adwuma na ma de nsan wutu na nko a na wo si bebi ehohu o se me ton ade o hwe na se oho no nye busy a no wa hwe obomode na no wapon otina ho no wo ye adwuma kakra onya sales kakra so a na se bank na betumi de akwa na wo de akọ de yeso ye ka bie mo no se otina ho bia no so amwani entoto ye ka security enye se wo de otina ho so police wo bo me ho ban ye ya afemu de wankasa so no also wankasa so take personal security so very seriously nti abia bia no wo ye wo de na police force ye de yenso ye de